Hi, I'm Tim from Jamie's Farm, Lewes. I hope you're all safe and well. Normally you would find me in the kitchen here cooking with the young people visiting the farm, and as you know we love cooking stuff from scratch at Jamie's Farm. So with that in mind, we thought it would be a good time to get you guys creative in the kitchen back at home, keep you busy. So we are going to launch a competition. Yes, that's right, a competition. So what we're going to do is you guys need to cook a dish at home. So it can be sweet or savoury, nice and simple. Don't need to go too crazy. And then all you need to do is take a photo or video of you making that dish, so cooking that dish, once it's finished, or sharing it with someone in your household. And then you post that on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter and tag Jamie's Farm. That's all you need to do. And if you win, there will be a lucky winner who will win one of these lovely, incredible lime green Jamie's Farm aprons. Startling, I know. So that's what you need to do. If you are looking for recipes, and some of you might have the Jamie's Farm cookbook, which is great, so that's a good place to start. Or of course you can search up a recipe online, find something you really want to create, and also something that you probably really want to eat as well. I would always recommend that's a good thing to do. And then all you have to do is get cooking. Obviously if you have people in the house who you can get into to help, to rope in, parents, carers, siblings, do that too. That's always more fun cooking with other people, I find. So that's it. I look forward to seeing what you create. I'm going to start off by cooking something here. I'm going to do a very simple flapjack recipe for Eddie, our farmer at Lewes, because he's been out there on the farm while I've been in here making this. Okay, flapjacks, here we go. First of all, put your oven on to 150 degrees C or gas mark 4 for cooking the flapjacks in later. And then measure out your ingredients. So I've got 140 grams of butter, salted butter, 175 grams of porridge oats, just hand rolled oats. I've got some pistachios here as well. I've got 75 grams of pistachios, and the same of apricots, which I've chopped up. So both those are chopped up. Things with those is you can add in anything you want. You can put chocolate chips in there, you could put raisins, you could put all sorts of other little like dried fruit, whatever you want really. In your flapjacks. And then you also need 2 tablespoons of honey as well. So very simple, that's all you need for the recipe. Then pop your hob on and gently melt your butter, honey, and crucially, I forgot one key ingredient, my sugar as well. Okay, so there's 145 grams of sugar as well in this brown sugar, but you could use different sugar if you want to. So that's going to go in. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so as you can see here, I've melted the sugar, the butter and the honey, and it's just gently melting away there. And then what we're going to do is mix it with the rest of our ingredients. You know, just mix your other dry ingredients, your oats, your apricots and your nuts, if you're using nuts, together. So once your kind of syrup has dissolved and you've got this lovely smooth mixture here, then you can pour that in and give it a mix with your dry ingredients. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, lovely. Right, that looks pretty good now, as you can see. All right, so we're going to pop that into if you've got any baking tin. This one, it's always handy if you can line it with some baking parchment. That will stop you having to do too much washing up. Okay, so flapjack's finished in the tray. As you can see, I've got a bit of a gap here. That's just because Eddie likes his flapjacks quite chunky. So rather than making them really kind of small and thin, I've made them quite thick, but it's up to you how you want to do it. And then that just goes in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. So I'm just going to pop that in here. Boom, all done. Okay, here's my flapjack. Now to give Eddie a taste. There you go, Eddie.
Thanks, Tim. Oh, that's great.